dope, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the Oculus Quest VR headset. So guys, I'm super excited to review this headset. We've had it for about a month now. I've just been kind of learning the features of it and playing some really awesome games, and I'm really excited to review this headset for you guys and show you guys all the cool features. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Before we get into the video though, there will be timestamps at the top of the comment section. It will be pinned of different features in the headset if you guys are looking for a specific thing. So yeah, let's just get right into the review. Okay guys, so taking a look at the front of the headset, right there guys, it says Oculus on it, as you guys can see, and then also in the different corners, it has camera lenses right there, or camera sensors if you guys want to call it, and that's basically, if you guys go over the boundary, it will show you the real world, and I'll show you guys how to make a boundary later and what a boundary is, basically. I'll show you guys all that later, but I'm just pointing that out guys. There is the different lenses right there. Then taking a look to the left of the camera here, guys, there is your charging port right there. As you guys can see, it is USB-C, as you guys can see right there, sorry guys. And then also here is the cable to actually charge it. It is a USB-C cable. It's kind of like fixed though, so this comes in the box obviously guys, and just simply goes in right there. Plugs in like that, and then this just plugs into the wall. It's very simple guys. So that is the charging port right there, guys. Then, as you guys can see, here are the straps. So, as you guys can see right here, this is Velcro. So, if you guys want to adjust it, you guys can just pull it to make it tighter and adjust it there. And also, guys, these get larger and smaller, as you guys can see, for more adjustments. So, that is also on the right side. These just adjust for Velcro. And then also, if you guys want to take a look at the top of the headset, there is also a Velcro strap. So you guys are extremely comfortable when using this, as you guys can see right here. To make it tighter, you just pull down and it will just Velcro on, as you guys can see right there. So that is how you adjust it differently. You basically just adjust this, just pull, and then just adjust it down like that. So it's very simple, guys. The Velcro is very simple. Then, as you guys can see right here, here's a headphone jack. They are on both sides, as you guys can see. Is a 3.5mm jack. As you guys can see, you guys can plug a headset in or plug earbuds in. So if you guys want to feel more immersed, yeah, then you can plug headsets in and play with a headset on. But honestly, guys, in my opinion, the sound quality on this, on the speakers, is very good, and I honestly can't tell a difference. I mean, obviously, there's going to be a little difference, but the speakers on this are very good, and I honestly don't really need any headsets to play with it. And yeah. Okay, guys, so taking a look at the bottom of the headset. So, guys, there will be two different buttons. So, guys, here's the first one. This is the volume button, so you can turn it up and down, as you guys can see right here. It is very, like, subtle, or not subtle. In person, it's very easy to see, but on camera, it's kind of hard. So, you can see there's the up button and down button for the sound to turn it up and down. And also, if you guys are wondering what this thing is, it's called the IPD slider. So, guys, it just changes how far apart the lenses are. So, if you guys have far apart eyes or, like, really centered eyes, then this little dial, you can just, like, you can just push it, and it'll just make it like closer and farther away. So that's called the IPD slider, and it's a pretty cool feature. I mean, when it came standard, it was fine for me. My eyes were just like kind of perfect for it. But yeah, it's really easy to adjust. And then obviously, guys, you can see the lenses right there on the inside. And also, guys, if you guys are wondering, this little padding thing, as you guys can see right here, this can actually interchange out, so you guys can buy like different expansion packs for it. If you guys want me to do a review on that as well, I can. We actually have another set that's like more comfy, so you guys, all you have to do to take this out is just pull really hard out, not to break it obviously, and then it just kind of slips right out, as you guys can see, and then you just go along, and it will just slowly just come out. You guys can see it. It's kind of awkward to show you guys on camera, but you guys can see right there, that's probably a good angle. It just takes right out and is very simple. As you guys can see, this is what it looks like, just plain. And then it's very easy to put back in. There will be like a kind of a little click. I can't really, it's kind of hard to show you guys. But as you guys can see right there, you just have to push in, and then you'll hear a little click, and then you guys will know it's in, and then you have to just go all the way around and just push it in. So guys, as you can see. So that little click, very simple. Then you have to just go around and just make sure that it's all pushed in. Not too hard, obviously. It won't break it, honestly, guys. I mean, I don't think so. It's very easy to take out and put back in. Just yeah, that's it, guys. And boom, it's in. You guys can see. You can't pull on it again without, like, obviously you have to pull hard. But yeah, so that's how you take out the cushion to interchange them. Like if someone's sweating really hard, interchange them, and it's very easy. So yeah, guys, now I'm going to show you guys like the actual gameplay and the actual like in VR footage. So yeah, let's do it, guys. Okay, guys, I don't know what I was thinking. I did not even show you guys the remotes. So as you guys can see right here, here are the joysticks. So as you guys can see, it says L, R, so for left and right. I'm just going to be showing you guys on the left one. So as you guys can see, there is a trigger right here, and then also a trigger right here. This one is typically for grabbing things in games, and this was normally for shooting things. So very cool. As you guys can see right there, there is the joystick. There is the menu button, and then also there's the Y and the X right there. And then also on the right one, obviously you have the Oculus button, which that's how you turn it off, or that's how you can turn it off. Then you have the A and the B button, and then the joystick right there. Basically everything except on the right hand. And then you guys, you have the wrist strap, obviously, typical on most remotes. You guys obviously just put it around your wrist, and then you have the slider thingy, and just tighten it however hard you want. Then you have it perfectly on like that. So guys, there is the slider. And then also to interchange batteries, which they do come with batteries, all you guys have to do, as you guys can see right there, there is a little line right there that splits. As you guys can see, all you have to do is just push down, not hard at all, and the magnet will come out. And then also this is magnetic, or not magnet, sorry guys, the battery will come out. It only uses one battery, AA battery obviously. Then it's literally magnetic, guys, so you just let it back, and then it will go back. So let me try and show you guys again, like how easy it is to take off. So you just pressure down. Yeah, you guys can see it like that. Pressure down, and then just pull out. I did this once when I was in the middle of playing, and I was like, whoa, what just happened? But it's very easy and very simple. So yeah, it just comes out and it's magnetic again. So that is the joystick. It is very nice, very cool. As you guys can see, there's a hole at the top, like most Oculus joysticks. And yeah, there is the, that's it, basically. There's the Oculus logo as well. So yeah, those are the joysticks, guys. Now, let me show you guys the actual gameplay and footage in the VR. So guys, at the bottom, as you guys can see right here, there's your library, and there's your store, there's your browser and TV, so there's all of your guys' main things. Also, we're in home right now. As you guys can see, it is very nice, pretty cool virtual reality, as you guys can see. Look up, you have the northern lights. It looks very nice, very cool. So you're gonna go to store, and that is how you guys get all your apps and games. So as you guys can see, right here, here is where you buy all of the games and apps. As you can see right here, there's a bunch of different things you can get. Virtual reality. That's kind of funny. You got some premium bowling. There's a bunch of different things, guys. A bunch of different games. The games tend to cost around $10 to $30. The better, like high quality games, they're $30. There are also free games that you can get. There's a couple of free games that are pretty cool. And yeah, they'll also show the coming soon games or pre-order games. And check the top charts. And if you guys, whenever you guys buy these games, it will just completely download it straight to your device and it is ready to use. So you guys, we're just gonna go to the library. So guys, here's a couple of games that we have. So we have Thrill of the Fight. That's a boxing game. I'm gonna show you guys what that is like. It's honestly pretty cool. You can fight against different guys and different varieties of intensity and different like strengths. So as you guys can see right here at the start, you guys have your gloves, of course. You have to stand on this scale, and the camera will take a picture of you. That is just measuring your guys' height. So you have to stand on the scale. Movement measures your height. Okay guys, so there's a bunch of different things. So there's fight, so as you can see right here, each punch obviously, there's sparring partner, a bunch of different guys that you just unlock as you play more and more and more. Just exit out of there. So you guys, you got the speed bag, heavy bag, dummy, focus ball. Let's go down real quick. As you guys can see, like, you grasp things. As you guys can see right there, last hit, best hit, so boom, punch right there, damage. It's a very good workout. It gets you really going if you do a full fight. Gets your heart rate up, get some good cardio in. Get some nice punches, as you guys can see right here. Kick. Okay, you can't kick. Won't really do anything. You guys can exit out of there. You can see, like, you got the speed bag. Obviously, this. I'm not good at this at all. All of this stuff. So, all of this stuff in Thrill of the Fight, guys. So, that's Thrill of the Fight. Honestly, it's a really good game. I really like it a lot. It's a good workout, honestly. So, as you guys can see, what I did, I just clicked the Oculus button. And it took me all the way out, as you can see right there, the Oculus button. It took me out back to the main menu. I'm just going to quit that real quick. Then, you guys, here's also a really cool game. It's called Space Pirate Trainer. So guys, this is a really cool game that my dad bought. It's very cool. I like it a lot. Really just like shooting around at different like robots. So let me show you guys that. So as you can see right here, here are your guns. You can change right here by actually looking at the joystick and just going around. It's like kind of a wheel. You can see right there. Lasers. That's what I normally like to use. Then if you guys just put your hand behind your back, pulls out a nice shield. Wow. You can see right there. Then if you do the same thing, pull out this whip thingy. You're gonna tap into that and that thing like attacks. So you can see right there. It's like really cool. You're talking to that thing. That's like a sentry turret. Just like shoots at different things. Then there's like different game modes. I'll show you guys what it actually is. There's different waves, just like arcade style. So as you guys can see, Gyro coming there. Just kind of track it like that. But at the same time, as you guys can see right there, on fire. Track all of that. You guys get different bonuses. You guys get like different amounts of points. And then let me show you guys what happens. It will actually fire at you. So as you can see right there, that fires at you. You're supposed to dodge it. It's gonna hit you. You're gonna lose one of your lives. So right there. See, it's gonna hit me again. You guys can dodge like that, or you guys can shoot it. Wait, let me try to shoot it for you guys. So it's gonna come at me. Shoot it from a different angle. I'm trying to shoot it. It's kind of hard though. You have to shoot it at like a right angle. I can't do it, boys. I can't do it, but I'm sure let it hit me. And then when you get 0 lives done, obviously it will give us nothing. I mean, normally it gives us a like you can write down your name, but since we didn't get far at all, it doesn't really do anything. As you guys can see right there, that's me. I take up 6th places. So you can see 38,000. You guys know I'm insane at this game. I love to play this game. You guys know what I'm saying? Space Pirate Trainer. Honestly, it's a really good game. It costs money as well. There's a lot of good games that cost money, but like I said again, guys, it's not that expensive. Like $10 to $15 or $10 to $30 for most games. So that's some pretty good games that I like to play. If you guys want me to do an actual video on like different games and the games that I like to play, make sure you guys leave a comment down below. If you guys have any games that you want to see me play, like Super Hot's a really fun game. Oh Shape, that's also really fun as well. It's like the game Hole in the One where like I have to like dodge and do different things, like move. That's actually a really fun game. These games are actually very good, like heart rate workouts, or not heart rate. It's very good cardio workouts, like, and it also gets your heart rate pumping really fast. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to be wrapping up the video, and there's a couple things that I forgot about and or just didn't touch upon. So number one, guys, the biggest part about this headset that everybody's like so amazed by is that it doesn't even need a PC to run. All of the past Oculus headsets, you need a PC to run it. This is literally all by itself. Oculus calls it the all-in-one, and literally you don't need a PC, you guys don't need anything. It's just the headset. And then number two, guys, I forgot to say this as well. There's 2 different versions of it. There's a 64 gigabyte and then there's a 128 gigabyte. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If you would like to purchase this headset, there's an Amazon link down in the description, and it gives me a little bit of commission. So if you guys would like to buy it, please use that link. So yeah, that's gonna be the video, guys. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. If you guys have any questions at all about this headset or just about me personally, make sure you leave them down below. I'll be answering every single one of them. So yeah, that's gonna be a Peace, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed.